Hello everyone and welcome to lovegardening.com. Today I want to share with you a personal project of my own. This is a plot of land I purchased about 2 months ago. It was a derelict plot of land. It had not been touched since the 1940s. I live about a 2-minute walk that way. So I drive past it all the time and I'd seen that it was really overgrown, so I did a bit of investigating to see who it belonged to. And the gentleman that grew up here during the war sold it to me. His parents moved away after the war and it had just been left. So it was about 8 foot tall everywhere in bracken. It had absolutely overtaken the place. And it's got a lovely boundary of really mature trees. It had a couple of ash saplings that had self-seeded that I did remove, but I've kept a beautiful rowan tree over here and I've kept all the mature trees all the way around. Now it has taken me 2 weeks to clear it. The first week, my husband and I hired a strimmer very enthusiastically and tried to strim through all the bracken, which I'll be honest, we didn't get very far. But fortunately, my next door neighbour, the lovely Jerry, he drives heavy machinery for a living. So he spent all last weekend clearing it for me with a big 10-ton excavator, and he has done the most incredible job. I can't actually believe I'm at the stage I'm at now where it's all clear and I can see from one end to the other. We've kept all the material on site, so we've scraped off all the bracken and we've used it to create bund, so landform all the way around the perimeter, up the left and up the right. And he's also levelled it for me as well because it did have quite sloping areas, so he's dug down in sections and levelled it all out using the excavator, so he really did a tremendous job for us. There is also a stream at the bottom that runs into a pond. I know, I can't believe how lucky I am. It does need some work. That is kind of way down on the priority list right now, but I will get to it eventually. I did notice a couple of coots down there earlier, so the wildlife are obviously enjoying it. And one thing I'm really passionate about doing on this site is not disturbing the wildlife. In fact, I want to encourage tons more wildlife to enjoy the space just as much as me and my family hopefully will do over time. So the long-term idea is that it will be an allotment and cutting garden. I'm desperate to grow bouquets and bouquets of flowers here. I'd also love an outdoor kitchen with a pizza oven. My husband's a dab hand at making pizzas, and somewhere that I can entertain friends and have parties. So that is the dream. It will take me a while to get there, so I'm going to share progress with you. This is kind of stage 1, so do make sure you tune into other videos to see how it progresses over time.